Yo, what it is, guys? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Where we left off, we haven't made any progress at all. Alright, so here's what's going on. So I sent the head to the machine shop, and right after I sent it out, one of my friends was telling me that I should get a 3-angle job instead of a 2-angle job, because from the factory the H series comes with a 3-angle valve job, so it wouldn't make sense to redo it and do a 2-angle valve job. But yo, I'm so tired of seeing this Prelude without a motor. The block is ready, the transmission is ready. The only thing we're waiting on is the head. Once I send it to the shop, I don't know how long it's gonna take. It could take a few days, a few weeks, maybe a month. But with that being said, I can't just sit around and wait, man. Like, I need to go ahead and just start putting everything back together that I can, you know, even if I don't have the head ready right now. So today I'm planning on getting the block installed, getting the transmission installed, and just hooking everything up as much as I can without the head. It would be great to have the Lude ready to go once the head comes back from the shop. But shoot, man, let me stop playing around and let's do this thing. Oh yeah! Yo, we got so much done with the motor so far. It was a lot of work to put the transmission back onto the block, man. It was not easy. And on top of that, I had to reinstall this ATTS unit. On the base model, you would just have an intermediate shaft that goes all the way across. But on the SH, we got this big old extra transmission. 2 transmissions on one. But yo, it's starting to get really hot here in the garage. It's only like 11:30. And I opened the garage, right? And if you notice, the shade is directly on top of the Civic right now from this tree. And man, this is probably the perfect time to clean the Civic. Ever since I got these front fenders, I've never even cleaned the Civic once. And so, bro, it's been like 5 months since its last car wash. But if you didn't know, I stay in an apartment, but I do got this little cool tool. Check this out. This right here is the Ryobi cordless pressure washer. So pretty much it's just a handheld device, and I just hook it up to a bucket of water, and yo, we can knock out a car wash real quick. All right, that looks a lot better. I don't remember the last time it was this clean. But yo, I'm really thinking about getting rid of the side skirts. What do y'all think? It'll look all right without the side skirts. Most H-Gen Civics don't even have side skirts. The only reason why I want to get rid of it is because of this fitment. See that? this is a huge gap, and I feel like there's no way I could really fix it. This is the driver's side, and see, there's still like a little gap right here, and that's because this aftermarket fender doesn't have this body line right there, so there's no room for this side skirt right here. Even if I push it really flush, look, there's gonna be a gap. I just think the side skirt doesn't do too much to the appearance anyways. I'm really low-key just thinking about selling the side skirts and using that money to finish wrapping the whole Civic. What do y'all think, huh? Think that'd be worth it? Get rid of the side skirts to make the Civic one color? Yeah. But this has been my daily since the Lude isn't running. I haven't really touched it because the Lude has just been hogging up all the garage space. And I don't want to touch the Civic and risk breaking it and have two cars that they can't drive, you know? So, yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to end it right here. We got the motor pretty much assembled, but I can't put the motor back in the engine bay right now because I found a couple of stripped bolts, and they're supposed to hold the engine mount. This is the side engine mount that goes right here, and I have two on this bracket, one right here and right here. They're both stripped. If I were to bolt this up, the screws just will not catch. I can't torque them down, and I feel like, man, if there's 4 and 2 of them can't be torqued down, maybe I should get that fixed. But shoot, the only thing I'm really waiting on is getting these motor mounts installed, and then we could drop the motor back into the engine bay. But yo, I got so much done today in this video, so I'm just gonna end it right here because it's gonna take a day for the Healy coil to come in so I can fix that hole. And it's been about a week since my last update, so let me get you guys posted. Yeah. Bye guys, thanks for dropping by. See you on the next one. Deuces.